Okay, this is a 1952 B-3-F. That's a 1.5 ton truck. And it's sitting over here in my neighbor's garage because we're working on this one. We're going to make a dump truck out of this guy. I've got a 51 dump truck that has a bent frame. And so we're going to take the dump bed off the 51 and put it on here. And the cab on the 51 I took off, and it's going on to a project that's going to make a 1-ton rock crawler out of it. It's off at another place, so I can't take pictures of it. Well, we're inside his garage. We'll see how well these pictures turn out. First thing we'll do is check the door. Oh, that's a good door. All right, now doesn't have the original seat, but I've got one for it. Oh, new battery. New battery. See, it was originally a blue truck. Got these big 5-bolt wheels on it. This one's in pretty good shape. This truck runs and drives and stops and backs up. But we're doing some work on it, so we're replacing the water pump and rebuilding the carburetor, new belt, new handbrake. This will be a good one. Now there's the 51 to 53 style front end. Okay. And the way you can tell a 51 to 53 is that emblem right there on a 51 was chrome. Other than that, it had that kind of emblem for the Dodge. So that marks this as a 52. 51 and 52, the Dodge looked like that. That's different than the 48 to 50 and different than the 53. Now, the reason that they didn't use that chrome one down there is because in 1952, they started the Korean War and they were limited on the chrome they could use. This guy's pretty complete. Yeah. Well, we'll try to back up here so we're not facing the sun coming in the door. I've got the other mirror that matches the driver's side. Oh, that one's a little squeaky. There's a new belt to go on. 6-cylinder, 4-speed, single-speed rear end. But it'll be a good truck. Now, that door doesn't close so well. It's got probably something on the hinges or whatnot. It's only patched a little bit there. Not too bad. Not too bad for rust. They usually rust out right along this spot right there. That's the brake booster. Okay, the fuel tank's been redone, inside and out. Power takeoff shaft will run the hoist for the dump. Big old tires. Pretty good tires on it. Oh yeah. Well, that's that big guy. 970-986-1020. Thanks for watching.